So, push it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I want to talk about what I'm doing to create the cuffs that's made out of recycled material for the Heritage Girl project that we're doing next week. We'll be talking about third world culture and what they do and how they make stuff out of recycled materials. So I actually do that myself. I use stuff to make recycled materials, and I make all kinds of things, earrings, and I make pendants and all kinds of stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm creating cuffs, and the cuffs that I'm doing, I want to stay with the idea of the recycled material concept. So I started off with pressed wallpaper. There's about 4 sheets of wallpaper in a cuff form, and that's how it starts. And I layer the wallpaper, and I just keep layering it, about 3 or 4 layers of that, and with wood glue. I use wood glue because it's a very strong glue. And then after the cuff is relatively formed, I take and put some gesso over the form of the surface, and to prepare it so that I can put paint on it. And what I want this to look like is like a wooden cuff that they're going to be using various different kinds of recycled materials to embellish it. So it's going to be made completely with recycled materials. What I'm going to do after this is on the PVC pipe. This is what I use for a mandrel, and I put like a rubber band around the whole thing, so it actually will get permanently like a cuff. Once it's a permanent cuff, then I take it off the mandrel and I put a second coat of something that again hardens it just a little bit more to make it permanent. This is an example of one of my cuffs. You can see it's actually a permanent cuff. Okay, so this is made from the same thing, except now what I use here is a plastic bottle, a water bottle, to do the embellishment. So this is also a recycled cuff. And this one here is one that just kind of slips on, but the one I'm making is going to be similar to this, which is a permanent cuff. So that's what I'm making for the girls to embellish. Okay, so thank you. Bye-bye.